Welcome to the Mental Relief Cheat Sheet. This is a practical guide to immediate calming techniques for moments of stress, anxiety, or overwhelm. These evidence-based tools can be used anytime and anywhere to help you regain control and find your center. Understanding your stress response is key. The fight-or-flight response is an effective mechanism, but these techniques can counteract it by calming your pulse and heart rate, helping you regain your feelings of control. Technique 1 is the 30-second reset. This includes 4 steps. Stop what you're doing for 30 seconds. Breathe, taking 3 slow, deep breaths. Relax your shoulders, consciously dropping them away from your ears, and unclench your jaw, letting it go slack. Repeat the internal mantra, "This moment will pass," as a reminder that feelings are temporary. Technique 2 is the 4-4-4 breathing technique, known as instant calm. Simply inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, and exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. Repeat this cycle for 1 to 2 minutes. This powerful tool shifts your nervous system from fight or flight to rest and digest mode. Technique 3 is the grounding technique, or 5-4-3-2-1. Use it to bring your brain back to the present. Name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This process engages your senses to interrupt racing thoughts. Technique 4 is body relaxation, or the quick scan. Systematically relax areas where tension often builds: forehead, jaw, shoulders, hands, stomach, and legs. This progressive muscle relaxation helps lower your overall stress level. Technique 5 is to interrupt negative thoughts using 3 questions. First, ask, "Is this fact or fear?" Second, "Will this matter in 1 year?" And third, "What is the next small step?" This cognitive toolkit helps evaluate thoughts and build momentum through small actions. Technique 6 is the 2-minute reset. If stress persists, combine movement, hydration, and environmental change. Stand up, walk for 2 minutes, drink water, and look outside or at the sky. This multi-sensory reset calms your mind and body. Technique 7 is the emergency mind reset, a 4-step protocol for when you feel completely overwhelmed. Splash cold water on your face, take 10 deep breaths, stretch your arms up and say, "Right now, I am safe." Finally, the 1-sentence rule. When everything feels chaotic, focus on 1 action. Just focus on the next small action. This simplifies overwhelm, giving your brain a single, clear instruction instead of the whole problem. Practice these techniques regularly. Your future self will thank you.